Hello students. Yesterday we have read pre-number concept part 2, taller, shorter, taller and tallest, and tallest, shortest. Okay. Today we will read longer and shorter. Okay, got it? Like I will tell you what is that. Okay, like that she is speaking, I'm Rosie, my pencil is longer, my pen is shorter. मतलब जो चीज़ comparison, we are doing comparison between two things. Okay, like that she is doing comparison like my pencil is longer. We can say क्या मेरी पेंसिल बड़ी है किससे, पेन से, because pen is shorter. So they are doing comparison between two things. So we can use word like longer and shorter. Longer means इससे बड़ा और shorter है ना इससे छोटा. So they are doing comparison between them. Okay, like we can understand from more example like take the correct word. My nose is shorter or longer. An elephant nose is shorter or longer. So elephant nose is longer you can see and my nose is shorter. ओके तो वी कैन सी मेरी नाक छोटी है और एलिफेंट की नाक बड़ी है. तो वी कैन टेक ऑन लॉन्गर बिकॉज एलिफेंट नोज इज बिग. तो वी कैन टेक लॉन्गर एंड माई नोज इज शॉर्टर. तो वी कैन टेक ऑन शॉर्टर. ओके, they are doing comparison. It's very easy, you can understand, you can do comparison between two things. Okay, so next example is my hair is and my sister hair is. So you can see my sister hair is long and my hair is short. Okay, you can see in the picture. Okay, so now we can take longer. My sister hair is longer you can see in the picture and my hair is shorter. So we can take on shorter. Got it? They are doing simply comparison between two things. जो बड़ा है that is longer and the छोटा है that is shorter. So we can see the rabbit ears are and my ears are. So my ears are short than rabbit. Okay, because rabbit has longer ears. So we can do tick on longer and my ears are shorter. So we can write tick on shorter. Got it? They are doing comparison between us. तो now comparison का एक लेवल और ऊपर है. तो लॉन्ग लॉन्गर तो आप लॉन्गर और शॉर्टर यू हैव रीड. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस लॉन्ग, लॉन्गर एंड लॉन्गेस्ट. मतलब बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और सबसे बड़ा. ओके, बड़ा, उससे बड़ा या उससे भी बड़ा, मतलब तीनों बड़ों में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. लॉन्ग, लॉन्गर एंड लॉन्गेस्ट. ओके, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर लाइक मेजरमेंट इन तीनों में सबसे थोड़ा छोटा ये है, सबसे बड़ा ये है और उससे छोटा ये है. तो लाइक पेंसिल ई सेंटीमीटर है 6 सेंटीमीटर, बी है 10 सेंटीमीटर, पेंसिल सी इज़ 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो सी इज़ लॉन्ग, वी कैन से इट्स लॉन्ग. ओके, we are not using short words here. Okay, now we are using long, longer and longest. Okay, तो this is long और इससे बड़ा कौन सा है, a longer and उससे भी बड़ा यानी सबसे बड़ा longest. Okay, now you can got it, long, longer and longest. Okay, बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और सबसे बड़ा. Got it? Observe and write the correct words. You have to observe. You can see the picture and you can write. I think this is a long यानी बड़ा, इससे बड़ा longer और सबसे बड़ा longest. Long, longer and longest. You can see the picture and you can write. It is easy for you. Okay, now you can see the scissor. I think this is बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और सबसे बड़ा. You have to see long, longer and longest. Got it? This is not in sequence. Long, longer and longest. Okay, बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और सबसे बड़ा. Got it? They are doing comparison in 3 scissors. Okay, now I think ये बड़ा है, फिर उससे बड़ा ये है और सबसे बड़ा ये है, लॉन्ग, लॉन्गर एंड लॉन्गेस्ट। गॉट इट? आई थिंक आपको समझ में आया होगा तुम्हारो। ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज इज लॉन्ग, लॉन्गेस्ट, लॉन्गेस्ट एंड शॉर्टेस्ट। तो अब जो सबसे बड़ा है, लॉन्गेस्ट जो हमने पढ़ा सबसे बड़ा है, और शॉर्टेस्ट यानी सबसे छोटा, सबसे छोटा और सबसे बड़ा। ओके, तो लाइक सी इन द पिक्चर देयर आर 4 कैंडल्स इन इट। द सबसे बड़ी कैंडल्स के नीचे लिखा है लॉन्गेस्ट, और सबसे छोटी कैंडल के नीचे लिखा है शॉर्टेस्ट, क्योंकि ये सबसे छोटी है और लॉन्गेस्ट सबसे बड़ी है। ओके, तो यू टेक द राइट द लॉन्गेस्ट एंड क्रॉस द शॉर्टेस्ट। ओके, तो आई थिंक विच इज लॉन्गेस्ट? The train is longest, so we can right tick on this. And cycle is very shortest, you can see in the picture, so that is shortest. Okay, we can cross it. Got it? Longest यानी सबसे बड़ा, shortest यानी सबसे छोटा। ठीक है, तो like see we can see the 4 carrots are here, so which is longest? I think this is the longest carrot, so we can write on it, and this is the shortest carrot, and you can cross on it. Okay, you have to understand the comparison between all. Okay, the now is which is longest? Pencil, this is the longest, we can do right. And which is shortest? This is, you can cross on it. Okay, which balloon is longest? I think this is the longest balloon, we can write on, tick on it, and this is shortest. Okay, so we can cross in it. They are doing the comparison between things, you can understand, you can do better example, and you have to read it again and again for better. Okay, I have to leave now.